In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image on a Clickfunnels page. First, let's get into the page editor where all the design changes happen. Start by logging into your Clickfunnels account and head over to the funnel or specific page you want to work on. You'll see a list of your funnels and the individual pages inside them. Click on the page you want to customize and then open it in the page editor. This will bring up the live preview of your page along with the editing tools around it. Next, we need to access the section settings because background images are usually controlled at the section level. Move your mouse over the section where you want to add or change the background image. As you hover, you'll see a colored frame appear around that section, typically in green, along with some icons. Look for the small gear icon in the top right corner of that section and click it. That gear icon opens the settings for that specific section. If you're having trouble selecting the right section by hovering, another option is to use the green bar at the top of the editor. Click on Settings there, then choose the section you want from the list. Either way, you should now see the Section Settings panel open on the side of the screen. Inside this Settings panel, find the Background option and click on it. This is where you control what appears behind your content. To upload an image, choose to add a new background image or select one from your existing assets. If you already uploaded images before, you'll see them in your library and can just click to use one. If not, you can upload a new file from your computer. Try to use a high-quality image that isn't too small, so it doesn't look blurry when stretched across the page. Once your image is in place, you can refine how it looks. Adjust the image fit so it displays the way you want, for example, covering the whole section or repeating if it's a pattern. You can also add an overlay color to make text easier to read on top of the image. A subtle dark overlay often helps white text stand out. Finally, tweak the base color beneath the image. This can matter if the image doesn't fully cover the area on some screen sizes. When you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget the most important step. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor. This applies your new background settings to the live version of your page. Once it's saved, you can preview the page to make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile.